Oh, can I help you?
Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu.
What?
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Yep.
Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets? Shut up and listen to my order.
You shut up.
Put 2 of them up your ass.
Why don't you put them in your ass?
What the fuck? Fuck my ass. What else?
Well, how about you have your mom suck
Slow down.
your
I'm
ass?
gonna spurt. Sorry. Yeah, hold on a second. I'm looking at the menu.
You just called here.
You shouldn't have fucked me so hard.
Are you retarded?
Yeah.
Why? Did your mom drop you on your head when you were a baby?
Oh, man! Slow down. I'm gonna spurt. Sorry.
What's wrong with you?
I love you.
You're like the most retarded person I've ever talked
Come
to
again?
on the phone.
No way.
Yep.
You cocksucker!
How old are you? Like 25?
I win 1-0.
What?
Yeah. Fucking cock ass!
What?
God, I'm fucking hungry. Let me check the fridge.
Hello, McDonald's.
You know how you got the 6-piece nuggets?
Yes, I do.
Just, can you give me just 4 nuggets?
Yeah,
I'm
it's
just
gonna be
wanting the
$1.
4-nugget thing. I'm trying to watch my calorie intake.
Yeah, good for you, fat ass.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what the fuck?
God,
you want me to
I'm
come over
fucking
there
hungry.
and slap you
Let me
around, you
check the
fucking
fridge.
Chinese kook bastard?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want me to do that? How about
Yeah.
I fucking shove it up your mom's fucking tight ass pussy, huh?
You shouldn't have fucked me so hard.
Should've fucked you so hard. I'm not into that
Fuck
shit.
my ass. What else?
Your ass. No, thank you. That's your mom's vagina.
Fucking bitch! Fucking cock ass! How much
Excuse me?
is that, sir?
How much is that? That's come over here and suck my balls, fucking rub my nuts, fucking finger my asshole, and then pay me $1.08.
Okay. Do you have any money?
Do I have any money?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have money. I work
Okay.
at fucking McDonald's. You think I'm fucking rich? Hello, McDonald's.
Please,
Hello,
don't
McDonald's.
offer me anything. I'll
Hello?
tell you what I want.
Okay. You can tell me what you want then. Hello, you still there? Hello.
I want you!
You want me? No, we have lots to offer here at McDonald's. We have hamburger, cheeseburgers, we got nuggets, we got crispy chicken,
Also
we got
small
grilled chicken, we have
seasoned
baked chicken, we have a
curlies.
whole variety of food we can offer you. We got French fries, cookies, apple pies, ice cream, everything.
Can I have a junior Western bacon cheese?
I got a junior fucking lick your mom's twat and fucking bite on her pubic hair. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I win 1-0.
I can't hear you, 1-0.
Yeah.
Are you out there, snowflake?
Yeah. How's it going?
Yeah. What would you like to order? A 6-piece nugget, or a 4-piece nugget, or a junior Texas cheeseburger?
A junior Western bacon cheese.
Junior, suck my dick, please.
And I'm going to go with a fillet of fish sandwich.
I believe it's called fish au filet.
All right, Cherry's Jubilee, and that's it.
Jubilee roll? We sell those.
Okay. I've been doing cock push-ups.
You fucking... What? Cock push-ups?
It's where you fucking lay down flat on the ground, and then you let your
put
boner
yeah,
lift
yeah,
you
yeah,
up
yeah,
off
yeah.
the
You get a
ground.
boner and you put some weight on that shit.
See?
Yep, I've been
It's
doing
fucking
that.
simple.
What was that?
Try to lose some of the weight.
Lose some of the weight. Nah, I
Slow
build
down, I'm
muscles.
gonna
I got some
spurt.
big veins put down.
Sorry.
So when I screw your mom, she's fucking screaming all night.
Slow down, I'm going to spurt. Sorry.
So then you're gonna do what?
Yeah. Better,
Yeah.
closer,
Yeah.
warmer. What are you doing?
I'm touching myself. I told you that before, you fuck.
What's funny?
That is pretty funny. I'm thinking about you and all your friends that are sitting on a computer right now fucking doing this fucking prank shit.
Give it to me.
Give it to you. Fucking bend over and I will.
How much is that, sir?
How much is what? For me to bend over and give it to you?
Okay.
What did you say?
Now, if you could take a Coca-Cola and just go half Coca-Cola, half Diet Coke.
How about I take the Coca-Cola bottle and shove it up your ass, and I bet you like that.
Okay.
Continue.
Big chicken?
No way.
Yes way.
Come again.
Come again.
You piece of shit!
You're a piece of shit.
You don't give a shit!
I don't give a shit, actually.
Yeah, one is all you need.
Fuck you and what?
Right.
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 Fuck you and what?
Really?
So you gonna order something or what?
Shut up.
Lick my dick.
Shut up and listen to my order.
Why don't you fucking suck my left nut and make my right one jealous there, killer?
Put 2 of them up your ass.
Two of what, my nuts? That's impossible,
Just,
you cocksucker.
can you give me just 4 nuggets?
Yeah, I can give you fucking as many nuggets as you want. They come in fucking 2 pieces, 1 piece, fucking 12 pieces.
Take the 6 nuggets and throw 2 of them away.
Hell yeah, I'll throw 2 of them away.
Put 2 of them
I'll
up
still charge them for you,
your
though.
ass.
You can stick them up your ass.
Just wanted to say it. I love you. Click.
Plain what? Plain nugget?
Click. Click. Click.
You said plain?
No.
Hello?
Do you have any money?
Hello?
Egg.
Hello?
Egg.
Hello?
Egg.
There's back connection. Hello?
Egg.
Hello?
Egg.
Hello?
Egg.
Hello?
Egg.
Well, there's nobody there. I can't